Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. In this video we are solving a quadratic equation and a quadratic inequality. So the first question is A. We are required to solve a quadratic equation. All right, now the first thing that we need to do here is to factorize this part, the left hand side. Now to factorize this, you are going to multiply this term and that term. You are going to have minus 6x squared, then we say and plus x factors. So you are looking for two numbers that if you multiply them, you are going to get that, and if you add them, you are going to get that. So we need two numbers that if we multiply, we get that, and if we add, we are going to get plus x. And now what are they? They can be 2x and 3x. All right, but now we have to look at the signs. We are going to have a positive here and a negative there, because if we say 3x minus 2x, you get positive x, and if we say minus 2x times 3x, you are going to get that. All right, now you are just going to take those two numbers and place them at the position of plus x, because if you add them, you're still going to get that. All right, so you're going to have 2x squared minus 2x plus 3x is the same thing. We haven't changed anything on that equation, because if we say minus 2x plus 3x, you're just gonna get a positive x. All right, now we group them and factorize them. So I'll take these two, I'll find a common factor, which is 2x there, then I have x minus 1, then here the common factor is 3, then x minus 1 is equal to 0. The next part, you are going to factor out x minus 1 because it is a common factor there. So you are going to have x minus 1 multiplying 2x, this one, then plus 3 is equal to 0. Now you're going to solve that equation. So you're going to say x is equal to 1 or 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now you can solve this other part. You have 2x is equal to minus 3. You divide by 2, you divide by 2. Then you're going to have x is equal to minus 3 over 2. So now we can say, therefore, x is equal to 1 or minus 3 over 2. That's the answer for that part. Right, now let's move on to part B for the inequality. We are going to say that is x squared minus x minus 6 greater or equal to 0. Now this one is an easy one because you can just factorize by inspection. By inspection, we are going to get x like that greater or equal to 0, and you are going to have the factors as 3 and 2 there. We're going to have minus and a plus 2. So we have our critical values. I will just abbreviate them. I'll call them CVs. And these are x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 2. Now we are going to just sketch the graph of that function here. You realize our value of a here is greater than 0, so our graph is concave up. Okay, so just drawing it on a number line, we are going to have such a graph in that shape, and then we have a minus 2 and we have 3 on that side. But we are looking for values of x that for values of x for which y is greater than 0. So we are going to look at these regions, all right, because that's where y is greater than 0 going up there. All right, so in that regard, we are going to say, therefore, x is less or equal to minus 2 and x is greater or equal to 3. Then we've come to the end of this session. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.